We're going to go see a private jet live. So there's going to be a private jet here in Malta, and I just got a call that I'm able to go view it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna take you guys with me.
On that other jet, goddamn. I don't get no rest, goddamn. I'm on my respect, goddamn. I've been running up a check, yeah.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. So, first things first, you guys know, coffee in the morning, that's a non-negotiable. It's been a while since we actually sat down and shot a raw video in the live. And I thought about making today's video as a way to show you guys what it's like to basically be a Maltese entrepreneur living in Malta, experiencing a weekend here. Like, weekends can be pretty fun here. So most of you also wonder about what a private jet broker does. So just for those who don't know, I founded Pick a Jet 2 years ago, and Pick a Jet is a private jet brokerage. And what we do is, we're basically, through the network that we've established, we're able to reach out to operators and we're able to get solutions for our clients.
If you just come along, because I've checked that if there's any issues going out to the aircraft, and if not, then it should be fine. I mean, you can go along. Yeah, okay.
I'll just message him straight away and we'll advise, okay?
Exactly.
Perfect.
Nice talking to you. Great, we'll keep in touch.
Speak
Thanks,
soon.
Andrea.
Thank you. Bye-bye. We're going to go see a private jet live. So there's going to be a private jet here in Malta, and I just got a call that I'm able to go view it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So this is the aircraft, guys. It's a 7-seater Piaggio. It's beautiful. So we're here on board the Piaggio Avanti. It's a 7-seater aircraft, turboprop, 2 engines. It's a beautiful aircraft. I mean, we can see the interior here. It's very nice. It's also very modern, very stylish. And you also have the lavatory on the back. So yeah, overall I like it. So basically, if you're looking for private jets, charters, anything in between, reach out to us and we'll make it happen for you. You can charter this aircraft from Pick a Jet. We're able to offer this aircraft for you guys, so any types of requests, feel free to let us know. So it turned out to be a very, very hectic afternoon, but it was a very fun day, so I'm not gonna lie. I'll tell you a bit more about it later, but basically, after I came back from the aircraft visit, I got a message from a friend of mine, like asking me if I want to go out for a quick bike ride, and that's what we did. So it was a very nice bike ride. I'm dead, because yesterday I trained legs. So it was a bit of a push, but anyways, it was a good one. So, gonna get a shower, going to cook some food, and then we're probably going to do some work. So, catch you later. As you can tell, we're back in the studio, and it's been a long day. It's been a good day, a very, very, very good day, but it's been a very hectic and long day. We're going to be enjoying today a very, very, very nice cigar, because it's been a very successful and productive week, and also day, because today I'm very happy with the outputs of today. So yeah, so we're smoking a Julius Caesar Toro. Woo. Always nice. So that's the beauty of it, you know. It's like when you have a good week, a good day, to end the day on such a positive note. I mean, for me, smoking cigars, you know, it's a ritual, not just like smoking. That's the beauty of it. It's the fact that I can look back on the day and I can reflect on, I mean, it was a really nice day. So I'm going to leave you to it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning as we continue the vlog, because I'm going to grab my journal and obviously journal. So journal a bit, reflect on the week, and enjoy this beautiful cigar and also this wine while we put on some nice relaxing music. So very grateful. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. So now we're back in the studio, gonna get some work done, and yeah, just smoke a shisha here, just enjoy the afternoon. This is what I like to do in the weekends. Like, I like to make work enjoyable. So we're going to grab dinner with the boys, and yeah, it's gonna be good. We're here with Luca. I've never been to this place, but yeah, whatever. We're gonna have some dinner and drinks. Zach is coming, right? We'll introduce you to Zach later, so. No, just hit in the wrong spot.
Like Zach with cigars.
About time, huh? About time, huh?
Alright, sir.
Master.
Alright.
Yeah, punchy.
They wrap them around.
Smuggler's Bar in Malta. It's really good. Good cigar, almost finished. Good wine. We had good pasta. What did you think of the pasta?
Good.
Pasta was good. Wine was okay. Luca's vibing too. Who is this?
Some white girl music.
But good vibes. Very relaxed.
That's the influencer pose. Oh yes.
Cheers, guys. Uber. Good morning. Good morning. Not salutations today.
Salutations.
So we have Luke here, back on the vlog.
Yo guys, what's up? What's up?
Yeah.
We're on just shy of 4 hours of sleep. Very tired. What did you say? What Valletta?
Just scoping away like this. In this way, you're way too long. So do not stop my bliss. Maybe I could use someone. But it's not
This place is quite nice.
Like being selfish if we talk about my time. When I'm indoors, yeah. I'm never step inside. See me, don't need anyone. I just go away like this. In this way, way too long. Do not stop my place. Maybe I could use someone, but it's not. Maybe you try if you want.
Toyota Fuji 60 unfortunately.
It's good, huh? It's
Rating?
9.5 out of 10.
Wow, solid. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do the
No, it's
video.
really good. And this week I bought beans from here. They were also quite nice.
What?
I
Beans.
did the video
From
with
where?
you.
Ah,
And that's what
really?
it's gonna
Okay.
be like. And I'm
I
gonna
discovered
finish it
once.
fast. I'm sorry.
Right.
No, they're solid.
I
Really
can't
nice.
do this. I don't have this time. Just
Better
don't
than
approach
the
you.
Malaysian
My
coffee.
assistant online. Whatever.
Hope you.
I'm scared to leave you, but I know I need to. I know I need to. I'm scared to leave you, but I know I need to. I know I need to. I know I need to. I need to set you free. Move on with your life, just let you be.
Oh, what a beautiful day. I mean, you could tell the energy, man. It was really good this morning. So, what have we been up to? It's already almost 4 p.m. now. I mean, we had family lunch and then I just chilled a bit. So, pretty much quite a nice Sunday afternoon. And I'm just about to get in to do some work. We're just gearing up for a busy few months. And I just can't wait to take you guys with me. I mean, truth be told, the next month will be quite crazy. And yeah, I think it's from like this week till the mid-April-ish going to be a lot, like there's going to be a lot of movement, so yeah. Oh, and one thing I forgot to say is, yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say. Whatever. What's going on, guys? Just wrapping up the day, and yeah, it was just one of those really nice weekends, to be honest. Very grateful, and looking forward to what this week will bring. It's gonna be a big week, man. It's gonna be a big week. So yeah, grateful, very grateful. I've built all of this. I've built Pick a Jet from the ground up, and it's just about to, starting to pick off a bit. And I mean, yeah, it's crazy, man. It's really crazy, to be honest. And I can't wait to keep on sharing, to keep on growing, to keep on building, and most importantly, to keep on inspiring other people. So with that being said, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you stuck this far, I appreciate you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments what you think of this video. Catch you guys later.